you need to again listen to the sound, and if the picture has sound in it, make a check like this, and if you don't hear in the picture, make a cross, right? So let's get it started. Sand, sand. Do you hear s? Make a check. Tree, tree. You can pause the video here and do it yourself. Tree. No sound. Soap, soap, soap. S is here. Make a check. Goal, goal, goal. Do you hear s? No? Make a cross. Slippers, slippers, slippers. Check. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard.